Hey, what's up? Looks like I'm live. All right. Hey, everybody, what's up? My name is Rizwan Siani from affiliateknockout.com. Make quick housekeeping. You know the drill. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. I'm going to be doing a lot of good reviews like this, and I can't wait to see you on the side of success. All right. So without further ado, let's get started. Cue cool intro here. All right. So what we have up for grabs today is a new product by two really good and really high-end marketers, JV marketers, known as Bobby D and Trevor Carr. And what they've brought to you today is a product called Fiverlicious. Okay, I'm not going to go through the sales video, but I will go through the sales page and the OTOs as well as some bonuses. All right. So what Fiverlicious is basically a training course program that teaches you how to go on Fiverr, okay, and basically turn like short gigs, like $1 gigs, $2 gigs into like increased sales. So you basically turn that $1 into $6, $6 into $36, etc., etc. Okay, and this was created by this guy Bobby D because of the fact that I think he still has a job. He still does this affiliate marketing business, and he has a family. Okay, so if you're pressed for time, you want to learn from the people who have mastered their time and their efficiency, because those are the people that are going to be really successful. Okay, and especially when you have a family, holy crap! I cannot tell you guys how busy your life can get. Okay, so I mean, if you want to maximize your time and efficiency, then definitely learn from this guy. Okay, now I'm going to tell you straight off the bat, this is not a get rich quick. So you're not gonna go into this course, post a gig on Fiverr, and boom, you have $1,000 in your account. No, it doesn't work like that. Fiverr doesn't work like that. Okay, you gotta build a reputation, build a build a following kind of thing, build your profile, right, and go from there. Okay, but this guy actually managed to do it without really doing any gigs. Okay, so in his review video, and he even says, he's like, I suck at logo making, I suck at writing and rewriting, and I suck at all these other things that people do on Fiverr. But he's found a way to effectively outsource it and effectively turn, like, make other people do the work for you, so you could just like literally sit back and oh, there it is. Okay, phew, it's still back. All right, sorry about that, guys. Yeah, just got a loose cable. Okay, so anyways, let's just get into it. Gonna go through the sales pitch and tell you what's up. So brand new Fiverr course shows you how Bobby quickly cracked the Fiverr code and how you can too. This is what he's making. Buy it for $1, sell it for at least $5 over and over again. And that's how you make that passive income. It's just keep investing, keep reinvesting that $1, $2, $3, right? Eventually, it's going to double, and you're going to make that money, okay? So, not going to go through the sales page. You can just take a look, right? But basically, you get all these video training courses, okay? I think looks like there's about eight in total, which is pretty good if you ask me. And I say even if they're about 30 minutes long, I don't have review access to it, but even if it is about 30 minutes long each or less, I'd say that's still pretty good, because you could, if you just spend like an hour and a half a day, you can implement this, okay, and you can get it done like right off the bat. All right. And if you thought Fiverr was so last year, think again, dude. People are on Fiverr, okay? I go on Fiverr. Everyone goes on Fiverr. You need a logo created. You need a landing page built. You need something installed, okay? Like, you go on Fiverr. I actually had to download a Thrive Architect plugin, which is a WordPress plugin that lets you build landing pages and lead boxes. And I had paid one guy $5 to $10 to do it, okay? Now, if I had that license, which is I think $80 a year, I could just go out and post my profile up and say, hey, let me install it for you, right? Charge people $5 to $10, make my money back, right? But I just don't want to do that. But that's what I'm saying is Fiverr, like people go on Fiverr, okay? So what else is there? Where is that JV page? I want to show you the upsells. You know what? Let's just do it right here, right off the bat. Fiverlicious JV. There you go. Alright, so this one I want to show you because we all love and hate the upsells. Okay? The upsells are good, but they're like, yeah. Alright, so number one, front end, $9.99. Costs you $10 right off the bat. You know, I'd say that's a steal of a deal. Alright? OTO 1, you get more training, a little bit more advanced, and costs you $27. OTO number 2, VIP training takes your buyers by the hand and is literally like sitting them down with Trevor while he guides them through every step of the journey. So he goes from 0 to hero in under 2 years and shows you the exact same steps that he's used. He's actually created this course himself, so definitely jump on it. This guy's a really good guy, and I love his stuff. OTO number 3, your buyer gets the opportunity to steal our business from us, so they get 100% commissions across the funnel. So it's basically like a reseller license. So you can go, you set this up, and if people buy this from you, you get $67. Like, you could just like literally take this course, even if you don't get all these other stuff, okay? You just get the front end and the reseller license, and you can take this and resell it and make all your money back, okay? Like, and then some, all right? And you'll learn the tricks on Fiverr, so you'd be saying nicely, right? However, I definitely do at least recommend getting this one because his stuff is really solid, guys. Like, it's beautiful, you know? So yeah, so I'm just gonna get straight into my bonuses because it's a small sales page and sometimes it's all you need, right? So number one, you're gonna get actually a crap load of bonuses. Now, don't look at the quantity of bonuses, look at the quality of bonuses, okay? So number one, you get my link supercharger software. I've used this and it works. It works great. It cloaks your links. It's really good, you know. I do also though recommend getting pretty links just because that I found that a little bit faster by about 2 seconds, right? Now, keep in mind that it may be fast, but there's not as much tracking as link supercharger. All right, so you're not going to get that tracking capabilities so much. You maybe get like a few hits and everything, but if you want detailed tracking, this really helps. You get my Pinterest automation tool, complete automation tool for Pinterest, drive traffic. Set this up with some Amazon Facebook ads or some Amazon products, and man, sky's the limit with this. SEO ranking tracking tactics. Learn how to get your pages on Google search pages, okay? Like without going for Facebook ads, okay? I can't tell you how honestly sick I am of Facebook ads because Facebook ads work and they don't work, all right? But do you have $500 to test out Facebook ads? Probably not. If you're on this page, you probably don't have $500 to test on Facebook ads, so I don't recommend Facebook ads, okay? Sure, there's pixeling retargeting and everything like that, and that can work. Okay, actually that does work, right? But if your message isn't clear enough, or your targeting isn't clear, or you're not hitting the right people that you want, you're going to be basically like spitting out money for nothing, right? How to write compelling headlines. I started using this and I found some really good stuff with it. Business in a box. You have videos, graphics, keep 100% of income, sell a lot of copies, get all sales pages. Use these surveys for effective lead generation. You also get a $50 gift card to my superfood store. Use that for any green products. Actually, even before you do that, hit me up. Go on my YouTube channel. Go on my, just hit me up, and I'll comment or I'll respond to your comment, and I'll tell you exactly where to go and how to use it. I actually put some detailed instructions in there, but just in case you lose it, go on YouTube and hit me up there. Chatbot Revolution, learn the secrets of the trade for making money with chatbots. Scribble, there's a really good ebook creator. Holy crap, I had one done in like literally less than 60 seconds. Like it took me I think 3 minutes tops, right? It was pretty done for me, pretty easy, right? Definitely use this 12-point checklist. I really like using checklists because it's kind of like that. Tick it off, tick it off, tick it off. Okay, done. Boom. Now on to the next thing. 30 days of motivation. I really like this. It helps kind of bring you back to center. And yeah, you know, free web traffic made simple. I started to use this and I followed it, and it's actually pretty good. It's actually got some really good tips. You know, there's some really good traffic sources that we don't know about that can definitely be found in there, right? Your own money making machine. It's like a software in a box, like a biz in a box. Take a look at it. Really good. Some really good solo ad vendors that I've worked with and that I've found have really helped me out a lot. You also get a free 15-minute coaching call with me. All right. You know, we get on the phone, we shoot the shit, and we talk, right? And then, what else? Oh yeah, another bonus for you. This one, now this is if you get one of the OTOs, all right? So you get all these you get all these with the front end offer, but if you get one of the OTOs, you get my other bonuses. So rapid income fast funnels, show you the exact funnels that are working, quick traffic system. Go through this, learn a crap load of traffic, commission stash, take this guy's commission and just copy and paste. 3-step machines. I started going through this. Holy crap, it is really, really great stuff. All right. Bonuses only for the upsell. 3-minute commissions. I'll be honest with you. This is it's basically just a quick video course that shows you how to go through Facebook, create a Facebook group, and really how to post and stuff, right? They're saying 3-minute commissions because if you post the right content and the right message at the right time, you can actually make money in like 3 minutes when that person is ready to buy, right? So it goes through it in very much detail in here. Evergreen commission machine, done for you 10 times your result with it as well. Rapid income email software, 25 proven traffic methods, new WordPress plugins, $100 a day video series. Sky's the limit with this. Okay, now we're gonna try to keep this under and close this up in a little bit. So I just wanted to tell you guys that, you know, take all these reviews with a grain of salt, okay, and take all these bonuses with a grain of salt, because you may, like, you're gonna get a crap load of bonuses, okay, and some of you are gonna be bonus hunting. You know, that this person offers 15 bonuses. Oh, but that guy offers 30 bonuses. Oh, but that guy offers 100 bonuses. I'm going to sign up through him, right? But also look at the fact of you got, say, okay, you got, say, 8 videos to go through. Okay, 8 of these videos times, let's just assume they're 30 minutes each. Okay, because this one's taking me 15 minutes and I don't know what I'm talking about half the time. All right, so 240 minutes. Okay, you divide that by 60 because it's 60 minutes an hour. It's going to take you 4 hours. Now, if you have kids, if you have a family, or you have other obligations such as a job, or this or that, or friends, all right, you're not going to spend 4 hours in one sitting trying to do this, okay? You're going to spend maybe 30 minutes, watch it, pause it, here, there, and then go implement. Going to take you about an hour, a good hour and a half. Okay, not gonna lie, it's gonna take you that long. All right, but you know, and then you're gonna take a look at your bonuses. Okay, each bonus can take you anywhere from about 20 minutes. I'd say to about 45 minutes, maybe an hour. Okay, now if you got 10 bonuses to go through, that's, you know, 45 times 10, that's 450 minutes, right? Divided by 60. As you can see, my math sucks. 7.5 hours. That's a full-time day's worth of work. All right. Now, say you get 97 bonuses, and I've even seen this. Okay, I actually bought into this one time. I went through 97 bonuses, and I think each bonus, I only went through the first 3 or 4 because each bonus took me a good hour. So that's 97 hours. Okay, 97. Let's divide that by 60 again. No. Let's divide that. Say I spend an hour a day. Actually, yeah, let's just put it that way. You spend an hour a day on each bonus, you're going to be spending 97 days just going through their bonuses. Okay? Is that really going to benefit you and benefit your time? Right? Your time is very precious. Okay? Every second counts. So you can't be spending your time going back and forth to different bonuses and, you know, trying to implement this bonus and then trying to implement this Fiverr and then trying to implement this landing page and keep jumping around. Okay, that's how people don't get success. All right, that's how people fail at success. Okay, so don't just look for the number of bonuses a person has, look for the quality of the bonuses. Okay, and that's why I give you my quality bonuses, because you're going to get traffic methods with this. You're going to get you're going to get a suite of 9 plugins with this. You're going to get rapid income email software with this. You're going to get commission machine software with this and done for you results with this. Okay, like these honestly take you 45 minutes, maybe to an hour max. Okay, I would say this one may take you a little bit longer because you're going to be looking through the traffic methods and watching and implementing, but it's not going to take you 97 days, which is, if you go look at it, 3, 6, 9, 12. Wow, I really suck at math. That's 3.5 months. You tell me you're going to spend 3.5 months trying to go through 97 bonuses? Yeah, screw that. Okay, come talk to me in 6 months, and we'll see where you're still at. I bet you'll probably only be on bonus number 10 of 97. So don't do that. Okay, all right. And then yeah, all right. All I gotta say is, you'd be a fool not to jump on this. If you're really into Fiverr, or you're really into that side hustle, making that side extra income without doing a lot of work, without spending a whole lot of your precious time, all right, get this then. Jump on the Fiverlicious, jump on the bandwagon, and yeah, man, just yeah. All I gotta say is, see you on the side of success. All right, it's late at night, but I did this video for you guys, for my subscribers, because I really value you. I value your opinion, and I hope you guys can trust me with your purchase. Okay, because at the end of the day, I just want to give you straight up value, straight up optimization, and help you make that money online. All right. So with that being said, my name is Rizwan Sayani. I'd like to thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Hit the bell notification, and I'll see you on Side of Success. Peace out.